This is a demo of our AI-powered data visualization agent, built on AuGENT, Soothsayer analytics platform for orchestrating agentic AI workflows that align with human goals in real time. This intelligent assistant lets users interact with SQL databases through simple language, generating insights and charts without writing a single line of code. We begin by connecting to a live SQL database. All connection parameters are pre-filled, allowing the agent to instantly fetch the database schema. This schema provides vital context, detailing all tables, their columns, and relationships, so the AI can generate accurate SQL queries tailored to your intent. For this demo, we chose a public dataset spanning multiple years about sales, products, salespersons, regions, etc., with 14 tables. Let's start by asking the agent to visualize sales by category using a pie chart. With one click, it generates the SQL, fetches the data, and creates the chart seamlessly. Next, we ask for a bar chart showing the top 10 selling products. The agent interprets the request, crafts the query, and returns the visualization, all in seconds. We then plot monthly sales for the year 1997, where again the AI writes the SQL, executes it, and returns a clean month-wise bar chart. The platform also supports natural language Q&A. We ask, who is our best performing employee? The agent queries the data and responds with, Margaret Peacock, with 6-figure sales. We follow up with, who's second best? And who performed the worst? And get accurate answers in plain English. It even answers operational queries like, how many employees do we have? Or, which month had the highest sales in our history? And always backs its responses with the exact SQL queries it generated. All of this is made possible by agentic AI, where multiple intelligent agents, one for understanding queries, one for generating SQL, and one for visualizing or explaining results, work together seamlessly to deliver fast, human-aligned insights. With AuGENT at its core, this system transforms how businesses explore data. Fast, reliable, and intuitive. No technical skills required.